Hey, good afternoon. My name is Ashley. So I want to go over a couple of things here. I want to talk about some services that we offer and talk about what you could be looking for and so on. So to start, I went and Googled Asphalt Companies Jeffersonville, Kentucky. And this area right here is what's called the Map Pack. And the top four listed here are the ones that receive a lot of work because they're super easy to find and they're listed right away. And the way you get yourself into these top four is by first having a Google business profile. Second, filling it out as much as possible with the name, the hours, phone number, photos, just filling everything out. And third is putting your business name, address, and phone number into as many online directories as possible. And directories are things like Yelp and Yellow Pages. And having your information in those online directories are really going to help power your profile. And the websites listed below here, these are what's called the organic search. And the same things apply. You want to be on the front page and ideally within the top 3 or 4 so that people can find you. And so I know that you have a Facebook page and also notice that you don't have a website listed or anything like that. So going over that, the main thing that you want to do with a website, a functioning website, is to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page primarily. And this is for a couple of reasons. And the first reason being is that if your competitors have about 1,000 words, then you're going to want to have at least 1,500 words because you want to beat out how much content your competitor has. And the second reason is that Google has what we call crawlers that go through, they read the content of the website and try and figure out what services your business offers, what areas you serve, and the more content that you have on the site, the more of an expert you look like in Google's eyes. And then within the content, you want to have keywords, and keywords are things that people are searching for. So for example, how I Googled Asphalt Companies Jeffersonville, Kentucky, if you have that all over your website, it's going to become really relevant for that search, and Google's going to be more willing to put your website higher to the top. So when you look at the site, it's really important to make sure that there's enough content on there and the keywords throughout. That's really going to help that website rank. And I also wanted to show you kind of what one of the competitors in the area was doing and just kind of see what you're up against. And I have a paid program that I use that I put them in. And then one other thing I also wanted to go over real fast was the UR and the DR ratings because these are important for where you fall in the Google search results. And a UR rating is essentially a trust rating with Google, and a DR rating is a power rating with Google. And so these numbers are looking at the overall site, how powerful it is, how trustworthy it is, and the higher up they are, the more powerful the site is, and the better it's going to rank in the search results. And one of the ways that you can increase these numbers is through a thing called a backlink. And all a backlink is just a shout out from another website that's endorsing you and is sending a link back to your site through a clickable text. So what we do is we can click on the ones that they have, go through those, get those for your website, and then get additional ones as well. And so lastly, most importantly, I want to talk about the organic keywords in the content that I mentioned before. For example, I was pulling up ADC Paving just to kind of give you an idea. And we focus on the volume column just to kind of give you an idea of what people are searching for in a month. Okay, so asphalt contractor, 7,500 people are looking for that particular keyword. Paving contractor, 4,100 people. Asphalt paving contractor, 150 people. Pavement contractor, 100 people. Asphalt paving, Louisville, Kentucky, 20 people, just to give you an idea. So things like that, just to show you. Asphalt and pavement contractor, 60 people look for that. But it's really important to get in front of these people. And the more people that you get in front of, the more that are searching for these terms, the more people that are going to find you. And then the more people will call you, and then the more business you get. So I hope this information was helpful, and I look forward to speaking with you and discussing opportunities. So I hope you take care and have a great rest of your day.